Hello students, it is Wednesday, February 24, 2021. We are going to continue with our math lesson. Now, the cursor is moving onto the screen and we're going to continue on with add in any order. Now boys and girls, Mr. Bigay presented this in a different way yesterday and also on Monday. Today, I'm going to present it to you in another way, so that way you can see the difference, okay? Now, look here at this equation here, okay? We have 2 plus 3 equals, and there's no number here. We need a number here, and we also need to fill out this second addition equation. Now, to get the answer here, we're going to use some objects to get the answers, okay? Because we need an answer here for 2 plus 3. So watch Mr. Bigay. 2 is right here. So I'm going to get 2 of these purple dinosaur eggs right here. Okay? So you can see the difference. Now, we finished with 2. We're going to move on to number 3. We're going to have to put 3 more dinosaur eggs here. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. We now have 3 dinosaur eggs that represent 3, 2 purple eggs that represent that 2 there. All we do now is add them up. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So boys and girls, what's our answer here? 5, okay? So we have the answer there. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now we need to fill out this second addition equation. Here's just what we're going to do, okay? We're just going to reverse these numbers, okay? So look, 2 is in front now. We're going to put 2 here on this second line. So watch Mr. Bigay. I'm going to grab 2. I'm going to insert 2 there. 3 now goes in front. So we got to grab 3 and let's put 3 up front here. And remember, boys and girls, we're going to get the same answer here, okay? So we just put 5 back in here to our answer. And now we've completed both addition equations. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, and then 3 plus 2 equals 5. All we did was reverse these numbers. We put this one in front. This number went behind it now. That's all we did, okay? Now, keep looking at your screen, boys and girls, as we are coming to another example here. Now, here we have 1 plus 6 equals blank. We need an answer here. And we also need to fill out this second addition equation. Let's do this first and find the answer for 1 plus 6 equals blank. We have 1 here. So watch Mr. Bigay. I'm going to grab one of these trees, okay? Now, we're finished with 1. Now we need 6 more right here. So let's grab this one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now look at that, boys and girls. We have our photo down here, our picture. This white tree represents that number 1 there. These other trees that are color, they represent 6 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Now all we do is count them up to get that answer there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So boys and girls, what is our answer here? 7. So let's get 7 and let's move 7 there. Now, we're going to come now to this second addition equation. We're going to do the same thing now. 1 plus 6, all we're going to do is switch those numbers now, okay? So 1 is up here, so 1 comes here now into this second line. We're going to put 1 there. 6 was right here, now 6 has to go in front, okay? And just like always, boys and girls, we should have that same number as the answer, which is going to be 7 here. So we have here 1 plus 6 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7, okay? We've finished our answers here, and we have our photo drawn here, okay? Now, that's what we call add in any order. Let's move on to the next example here. Now, boys and girls, we have here 3 plus 6 equals blank, and we have to fill out our second addition equation here. 3 plus 6 equals, let's find that answer first, okay? Now, 3 is right here, so let's get 3 of our teddy bears here. 1, 2, 3, okay? Now we have 3 teddy bears there. Now we're done with that 3. Now we come to that 6. We need 6 more teddy bears here. So let's get 6 of them here. Count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So it's this entire row here. We now have these as our photo. Now, all we do is count them all up. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, boys and girls, what is our answer here? 9. So, look, Mr. Begay is going to grab 9. I'm going to insert 9 here because that's our answer. Now we come here to this second addition equation. Same thing. We're just going to rotate these two numbers here. So 6 is here. 6 has to go up front now. Okay? 3 is here. So 3 has to come here on this second line. Okay? You see that now, boys and girls? 3 is up here. Now in this second addition equation, 3 goes into this second line. 6 was right here. Now 6 goes up front. And we're going to have that same answer there, which is 9, okay? So 3 plus 6 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. And we have here our picture that we made together. Now, keep looking at your screen, boys and girls. Let's come to this next example. Remember, add in any order. Here we go now. 5 plus 2. We need an answer here first. And we'll finish this out when we get our answer here. So 5 plus 2. Let's look here at this 5. We need 5 pictures here. So let's get them there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now look, we have 5 backpacks here, okay, that are red. Now we're done with that 5. Now we come to this 2. We need 2 more backpacks here. So let's count. 1, 2. Okay, now there is our picture that we made. All we do now is count them up. Okay, let's count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is our answer, boys and girls? 7. So let's get 7. Let's insert 7 there. Now, we're coming here to this second addition equation. Same thing. We're just going to rotate those numbers. Now look, 2 is here. So 2 has to go up front now. Okay? Now, 5 was up front. Now, 5 goes in that second line, okay? And like I said, boys and girls, you're going to get that same answer here. So we put 7 back there. So we have here, boys and girls, 5 plus 2 equals 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now we have our addition equations finished. That's what we call add in any order as long as these first two numbers are the same. But in the second addition equation, all you do is switch those first two numbers. Okay, keep looking at your screen as we're coming to our next example. Now we have here 6 plus 2 equals blank, and we need our second addition equation here. Now first, let's figure out what is 6 plus 2 and get our answer first. Now we come here to this 6, so we need 6 photos here. Let's do that. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, look at that now. We have 6 girls here. Now, that 6 is finished. Now we come to this 2. We now need 2 more photos here. 2 more. So let's get them here. Count with me. 1, 2. Now there is our picture here that we created. All we do now is count up these photos. Let's count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's our answer here, boys and girls? 8. Good job. So let's insert 8 here. Now, for this second addition equation, we do the same thing. All we're going to do is switch these two numbers. So 2 is right here. So 2 goes up front now. Okay, 2. 6 was right here. So 6 has to come into that next line. And boys and girls, as always, you should have that same answer there. 8 and 8. So we have 6 plus 2 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And here is our photo that we created. That's what we call, boys and girls, add in any order, okay? Now, get a paper and pencil, okay? Once you get your paper and pencil, on your screen is your homework. Now, boys and girls, here's what I want you to do. Copy down number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. I want you to give me an answer here, and I want you to show me how you do this second addition equation, okay? Same thing for number 2, number 3, and number 4. Remember, boys and girls, we did that here in these previous slides. You see that? Look at that. We created it. We did that here, and this example here, here, and also here, okay? Look at that. We came up with an answer, and then we did our second addition equation. So if you forget how to do this, rewind the video and re-watch it, okay? Now, once you're done with your homework, I want you to put it in a folder because you are going to return that on Friday. Go ahead and pause the video right here and continue with your homework as Mr. Begay is going to log off in about another 15 seconds.